Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress, and this message is in response to quite a few questions that I have received from my clients and also those on my social media feeds. So the question is, what will the global business landscape look like after the current chaos? And that question is what this message addresses. Okay, so I see three very distinct patterns appearing in the global business landscape. So I'm actually going to literally tell you, this is going to be a short message unless unless something takes over, but then you never know with my live channelings. So I'm literally going to tell you the three energies that I sense in terms of when I tune into what the global business landscape will look like after the current chaos. Okay, so here I'm simply just going to get started and tell you the three, and then if I feel called to do anything with those three energies, so let's see where that takes us. Okay, this is a live channeling as always, so stay tuned for my whatever crazy candid outbursts are. Okay, so the first energetic trend that is quite apparent from the global business landscape is, or in the global business landscape is, bust. Okay, so in other words, and I also touched on this if you received my April money and business, not April, hold on, sorry, March, my March money and business weather report. I actually spoke about this, and if you didn't receive it or you've only just subscribed, so you're receiving from the April edition, just let me know, and you can actually hold on, I think it may be on my blog. If not, I will add it to it. Okay, I digress. Let me go for that. I did speak about this energy. Okay, so it is the energy of bust, which is in that channeling, I actually said that there was going to be massive destruction in the money and business markets from established players. Okay, so that was kind of what that message was about. But this is similar to that. One of the main energies, so there's three main energies impacting the global business landscape. And this is kind of what the result is going to be after the fact, okay? So the first one is bust. So you will see many businesses, and this is like seriously, my heart goes out when I say this, because money and business is like a very sacred space that I hold for my clients, as well as for the global energies, because I think that they're very pivotal to the physical landscape of creating a beautiful, harmonious, and very thriving communities. So business as a segment, and I'm speaking about ethical businesses that have integrity, okay? Because there's a lot of fear-based marketing that is coming into play, and I've spoken about this on my social media feeds as well. That so I'm going to digress for 1 second, and this is in the bust energy. I am actually going to touch on this because it relates to it. So be very wary, because this is an amazing time to invest in yourself and your business. It is a great time to get whatever skills upgraded, updated, learn new things, take new courses, utilize whatever you can to gain online knowledge, guidance, and understanding in order to propel your business to the next level. So it's an amazing time. But you listen to your instincts when you decide who you actually want to invest your money in, okay? Because there's a lot of fear-based marketing out there, and it is a lot of unethical people who are selling their services online because it is easy to get into the psyche of the human being when you propel them with fear. It is how the media works, and we all know this. However, it is very easy to fall prey. So just be aware of it. Okay, so now let's go back to the bust. So bust is one of the main energetic components that is going to level the business playing field, and it will take out just as much as it is going to send a lot of small businesses bust, which is really, really sad. It is also going to remove a lot of larger players from the market as well. So you're going to see the business landscape. There will be a lot of bust that's going on. So there will be a lot of businesses closing down or downsizing. So we know that, okay? So that is kind of a very constricted energy coming into play, which is kind of shutting it off, winding it down, winding it down, winding it down. Do you see what I mean? It's very constricted energy. Okay, so that is one energetic movement. And then the second energetic movement is the boom. And in the boom is also where you are seeing these unethical players coming in, because there are a lot of businesses that will make a lot of money in this chaotic landscape. So you can align yourself in order to be one of these players, but whatever it is that you're doing, do it with ethics and integrity. Okay, because energetically, if you play by the rules of ethics and integrity in business, you will always win, and win the right way, win in a very nourishing, nurturing, expansive way. If you when people go to win in a very self-centered, constricted way, which is what the unethical business practices do, that's a very closed energy. That is not an expansive energy. And you as a multidimensional being, you as creation energy, you are actually meant to be expansive. You are not meant to be operating in a restrictive mode, okay? So boom is the other energetic force that's coming into play and playing in business. I'm speaking about the business landscape, okay? So you will see loads of businesses really thriving in this time. And here's the final piece to the puzzle, is brand new birthing energy. So in other words, you will see businesses small and large going out of business, which is the bust. You will see businesses small and large completely thriving in this chaos. So for example, to give you just a quick example of the thriving and the boom, toilet roll companies, as well as any food related companies and the supermarkets, I mean, they are absolutely thriving, okay? There are so many online businesses that are thriving right now. Netflix is thriving. So that is big business thriving, but you're also finding that smaller businesses are now going digital, and therefore they are also making a lot of money. But here is the third energy that I can sense coming into the marketplace, and that is the brand new birthing energy, which means there will be businesses born out of this chaos that will be completely brand new and never existed before. So if you are listening to this and you are thinking about a brand extension to your business, and don't go copying, please do not be tempted to copy someone else's business models. I call this borrowing other people's goals. It does not help you to be successful, and you will struggle and you will come across obstacles, because you need to find your own path, okay? So if you are looking at, if you are someone who is looking at maybe expanding your business, if you are looking at branching out into a segment of business that actually attaches to your current one, or if you are thinking of launching a new variation of a product or your service, then this is a fabulous time. So for birthing, this is great for new product launches, great for new service launches, great for new launches. And also, if you know someone who has real amazing entrepreneurial flair and they're looking to start a business, this is a great time. So you will see products, services, and new businesses that are going to come out of this chaos as well. So those are the three patterns that I see: the bust, the boom, and the brand new. So you can actually, obviously no one wants to choose to be in the first segment, which is the bust. However, you may find that it may be a great way for you to acquire another business if it is going out of business, to add to your company. Okay, so that's one way that you can take advantage of it and also help someone who is in need. And how you can take advantage of the boom, obviously, is see if you can align yourself with someone who is booming to help you then elevate your growth as well. And the third is, if you are thinking of, or it is a great time for you to kind of birth new ideas and new product and service extensions for your current business. It is also a great opportunity for you to identify new opportunities and gain guidance on that. So I hope that this has all been helpful, and as always, if you would like to work with me to gain channeled guidance on your business, but also if you would like to work with me to gain guidance, energetic tools and strategies for solving your problems and achieving your goals in your business, your relationship or health, I would love to hear from you, and you can find me at soulenchantress.com. I wish you a joyous day.